Hello everyone and welcome to the game design devlog week number 4 of Don't Cry For Me. This was a very busy week for me. Sadly, what I was busy with was not work on the game. My brother just came into town from California, so I've been spending time with him. So this week I decided to do something a little different with the devlog. Because I didn't have that much time to work on it, and the time I did spend on it was mostly behind the scenes sort of stuff, like creating storyline and plot, a lot of Google Docs. I thought instead I would just go really in depth on the animation process for the main character, John, that I actually did all today. So the first thing I did was create a spin animation for John. What this did is create the starting frame for each rotation. So you see John can face 8 different directions depending on which keys you press on the keyboard. So there needs to be a starting frame from each one. Then from there, I started animating his walk sequence. So I went frame by frame on each one and added an outline, which is what you can see I'm starting here. And this is all done in Sprite. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sprite. You guys might know better than I do. But it's a great tool. So as you can see, I'm just doing a simple outline here, and then I fill in more detail. I didn't get quite as far with the detail as I would hope this week, but hopefully by next week I'll be able to add some better shading to his outline. I am really looking forward to 2 weeks from now because that is when I finish my summer internship and I will finally have some time to actually focus and work on the game. And I'm really excited for that because I think I'll make some great progress. So that is all that I have for this week's video. I will leave you with some music from the game.